All right, so in order to vote for our Draw Something projects, we need to have everybody look at everybody's Draw Something project. So what we need to do is we need to take screenshots of the Draw Something. So you're going to open up your PyCharm, you're going to run your program, and then you're going to take a screenshot of the image that you drew. And so on a on a Mac machine, what you can do is press Command Shift. So you're holding down Command, you're holding down Shift, and you press the 4 button. And you see how my cursor changed? Like, look, my cursor looks like this. I hold down Shift, I hold down Command, I press 4, and then suddenly my cursor turns into this, like, scope, right? So what I can do is I can click and drag. Let's actually do a real picture. So like this one right here, right? This awesome little graffiti post by David Cho, the talented David Cho. Let's press Shift, hold down Command, press 4, and now I am going to click and drag, and I let go. Bam, it takes a picture. If I go to my Finder and I look on my desktop, you can see that now there is a screenshot here, right? So if I open that guy up, then you will see that it is what I just screenshotted. Okay. So if you have that file now, what you can do is go to the announcements section, and I changed this to be turn in the Draw Something file here and screenshots here. Okay, so you're going to open up the here on the screenshots. That's going to open up this Google Drive, which you can only access if you are in your student account, and you're going to go ahead and drag this guy in here. So then it's going to upload, right? And I want you all to follow my same naming convention. I'm going to right click, say rename, and I'm going to say period 1 underscore, let's do last name first, Lee, comma, Daniel. Okay. So this is me, and that's what I'm putting up, and I'm saying okay. So now we're going to know which period it's from, who's the person, and we're also going to be able to take a look and see what the heck you drew, right? So that's for Mac. And so the process for Windows is exactly the same, except it's going to be different. So first of all, you're going to run your code. And for Windows, you don't have that Command Shift 4 thingy, which is like an awesome little functionality. But you do have print screen, right, on your keyboard. So you're going to press print screen, and that's going to take a copy of your entire screen. Okay? And then from there, what you can do is go to Photopea, which is, if you just type in online Photoshop in Google, it's the first link. Right, it's like a poor man's Photoshop. It has most of the functionalities, the commonly used ones, but not every single one. And then from here, I could say new project, and I can give it whatever height and width my computer screen is or whatever it is, right? And I could say, okay, create. And then I could paste it in. Whoa. Copy to clipboard. Let's say allow. Paste that guy in. Okay, so this is, I guess, the last thing I had on my copy or whatever, my Command C. So anyways, I paste this guy in, but this is going to be your entire screen, right? And your drawing from your PyCharm project, your Draw Something project probably isn't the entire screen. So you're going to click on this guy, right? This little dotted rectangle. You're going to take a copy of just the part that shows your Draw Something. I'm going to Command C or Control C, copy it. Say file new, and these dimensions are from my clipboard, so that's from what I just copied. So don't change anything, just say create, and then Command V, paste it in, and you're good to go. So this should be a picture of your Draw Something. And from here you go file, export as, and you could choose any of these. All right, I would prefer PNG. PNG is kind of like the standard for high quality images, so I would do PNG. I say save, and it's right here. Okay, so from there I can go over to my Google Drive, and I can drag it in over to here and rename him to be period underscore last name comma first name, and I'm good to go. So that's for Windows, that's for Mac. Voila.